All right, today we're going to be installing this window installation kit. Put this around any window that might be leaking some air and that we don't want to be opening on a regular basis. Once this is in place, it's going to block all of the air from coming from the outside. And so it's very temporal. We can take it down at any time, but it's really for a leaky window that we don't want to open. Inside of the box, we have this plastic. It's all one big piece of plastic, good for about 5 windows. And then this double-sided tape. First thing that we're going to do is we're going to start unrolling the tape and putting it out along the perimeter of the window here. So I'm going to start up in this top right corner, left corner, and push it into place. Just like so. There's white tape on the one side of it, so you won't be able to even see it after we pull that off. Once we get to the end, we take our scissors and cut it to length. Once we have that, we just peel off the white side of it. And like you can see, you can't even see the double-sided tape. And we're going to do that on all 4 sides of the window. All right, now that the window has tape all the way around it, next thing that we're going to do is we're going to unroll just enough plastic to go along the side of the window here. So you can just measure it out like this. Put it on one side, unroll it. It's okay if it's a little bit too big. You want it too big, not too small, because you can cut it afterwards. So we just put it to length. And then cut it right here. That way we have plenty of extra. Now that we have the plastic, I'm gonna unroll it all. This might be a place that you want someone to work with you to keep it as tight as possible as you stretch it over on the tape. Make sure that the entire piece of plastic is just one layer. You can see it's more than big enough for the window, so we're going to start in this corner right here and put it right onto our 2-sided tape. We're going to pull it as tight as we can within reason. You don't need to pull it too tight. It's okay if there's some wrinkles within the window. Now that it's all the way around, you can see that there's quite a bit of wrinkles in that. We're going to be taking that out with the hair dryer. Turn on the heat setting. And then just go over the film and it'll shrink right down to size. And then just going up the entire window, we're going to tighten that up so that there's no wrinkles in it.